Hello and happy Tuesday, 7th grade. I am here on campus, but I'm not here in class. So today the 7th and 8th graders have their knowledgeable actual day. So I am in the library. So if you do need to get a hold of me, I should be checking my email frequently unless there's issues with the Knowledge Bowl. So if there's any part of this that you have questions on, send me an email and I should be able to get back to you rather quickly. If not, if you do not have any questions, then you are good to go. On today's assignment, you're going to continue to work on your periodic table. Today, you're going to research it and then assess it. So here on slide or page 1, you're going to click on this link here, the periodic table of elements. And then you're going to read this information here. All right. You will need this periodic table, just FYI. And then you're going to be looking into how the periodic table is arranged. Next year, we will spend quite a bit of time on it and understanding the periods and the rows, and you will have a little mini project on it as well. In the event that you are not a fan of this periodic table or you just can't really make out what it says, this is the periodic table of elements that you'll get for your STAR assessment. And so this is the only reason that it's here. It's just if you or when you need it. After you have read that, you're going to answer what are the rows of the periodic table called and what do they tell us. So every row on the periodic table, what does it tell us? Then you're going to look at the columns. What are the columns called and what are those significant for? What do they tell us? List 3 elements that have similar properties, so you'll know after answering those 2 questions how to identify which elements have similar properties. You just have to list 3 of them. Which element is in group 14, period 3? You can go into page 2. You can just tell me the atomic number and the name if you want. You can give me the symbol and the name. You can give me all 3. I just need to know that you know what you're looking for or looking at. Here, how many valence electrons does sodium have? So that's another thing that we're going to be looking at are valence electrons. So tell me how many does sodium have? Then looking at this little snippet here, which is not true about all of these elements. So looking at these, looking at oxygen, sulfur, selenium, and tellurium, which one is not true? Which element has 2 valence electrons and is in period 4? Which 2 elements share similar properties? And then it's just a drag and drop of completing this paragraph. And you should be able to have answered this after or using yesterday's information along with the information that is here in this little snippet or a little article here. Once you're done with that, you will preview it and then you will submit it, and that is all that you have for today. So if you have questions, please let me know. If not, good luck. I hope you enjoy. And if I were you, I would not lose any of these notes because I am 100% sure that you will be using this next year. Bye, guys.